In this video, I'm reviewing rule number 1. We said we have 28 letters. 6 out of 28 letters, we call them one-way connectors. And these are Alif, Dal, Thal, Ra, Zay, and Waw. And we said Alif and Waw are long vowels. In Arabic language, we have 3 long vowels. We have 3 long vowels. So far, we know 2 of them, Alif and Waw. In this video, I will just do some exercise with you on how we connect the letters before I start my next video with two-way connectors. Let's see how we connect Dal, Alif, Ra. Dal on the line, Alif, Ra. Make sure to use the lines when you connect. Now we have Waw, Ra, Dal. Start on the line, you loop, you go below the line, Ra, and Dal. Anytime if you forget how to write the letters on the line or above the line, go back to the previous videos and try to practice more. Now we have Ra and we have Zay. Ra, Zay. Ra, Dal, Alif, Dal. Ra, Dal, Alif, Dal. As long as one-way connectors are following or preceding each other, you never connect them. Now, my next video, we will talk about 22 letters, two-way connectors, and let's see how we connect them in my next video.